Hi, this is Luca. I'm Ms. Janelle and Otis's assistant, and we are doing home crafts at the DeSoto Public Library. All right, let's get started. Okay, so today's craft is a foam cup octopus. Okay. Oh, this octopus does have a name. Its name is Octavius. And all right, let's get started. So first off, you're gonna need some yarn. It doesn't have to be yellow, but that's really the only color we had, so I just grabbed it. Um, you're gonna need scissors, preferably this size since you're like little kids. Parents, you can use the big scissors. Foam cup, obviously. School glue, glue stick, or just like the not glue stick kind will work. You're gonna need a pen too. Doesn't really matter the color. Construction paper and marker, again, that can be any color, but these were the first two I saw, so I just grabbed them. And some eyes. If you have googly eyes, that's great. These are sticker kind. You can have either. I can show you what we can do next. You know, like draw them on or make them construction paper. But yeah, let's get started. So what you're going to do is grab your pen with your dominant hand, or whatever it's called. And then get this paper cup, right? And see, put your two fingers right here, like that. And between there, you're gonna make a hole with the pen. And then pull it out. Draw it like that, okay. Now, just a friendly reminder that octopuses do have 8 legs, or tentacles, so you're gonna make 8 holes. If yours has like more or less than that, that's fine. It could just be a different octopus, or well, if it has 6, it'll be a squid. Okay, yeah, so we have 4 holes, so we're just gonna make 4 more. Gonna do one right here, another one right here, 6, this will be 7, and yeah, you know what, let's do right here, yeah, this will be 8. Alright, so after that, you're going to want to grab your yarn, right? And just start yarning it. The size doesn't really matter. They can have super long legs or super short legs. If they want to have 7 super long legs and 1 super short leg, you can. So that's 1, 2, not really measuring anything here. 3, like 4. It's 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, it's 8. So we're done with the yarn. We're just gonna get that out of the way. And this next step might be a little hard if you don't know how to tie your shoes. You might want to get your parents to help you, and it's good practice for tying your shoes or something. So really just get the yarn and put it through the hole. You grab it and just make a knot like you were tying your shoes. Okay, well, this is, okay, there we go. And tie down, and yeah. You now have a leg, 1 leg. And you're gonna repeat that step for like every hole you made. Sometimes you might have to pull some foam out of the hole that's in your way. So you're gonna do that again for leg number 2, or tentacle. You can call it whatever you want. It's your squid, octopus thing. So it has 2 legs. Keep on doing that. So that's 3, and for now we're just gonna stop and move on to some of the other things. So let's do the eyes next. Okay, so I have like the eyes that come with like a sticker that like stick on things that aren't sticky. So you're just gonna grab it and put one right here, like, hey, maybe he's, well, no, this is a she, it's Octavius' sister, Octavia. And so yeah, she's looking up, and oh yeah, she's also looking to her side, like, where are my legs? I can't see my legs. And after that, you're gonna get your marker and draw a mouth. So Octavius has like a smile because he stole his sister's legs. And Octavia is mad, so we are going to give her like a frown, but we're gonna do that to her eyebrow so she's mad. And you know what, we're gonna give her fangs because she's mad. Now you'll notice that Octavius has like a headband and like some hair. That's just something I thought was neat. You don't have to do it. But if you want to, what you would basically do is get your construction paper, right, and just cut out like some strips, and then glue it on top like this. So let's use the Elmer's glue. Just put a little bit or a lot. And you know what, her hair will go down her head. So we're gonna do it like that. And let's do it one more time. Now, some of her hair is, you know, thinner than the other one, but that's just because she lives underwater. Oh, it's longer too. Water will do that to your hair if you live under it. And yeah, just you can do whatever you want to it. And yeah, that's it. So really, it should look kind of like this with the tentacles at least. But like I said, the eyes, the mouth, and the designs you add to it, it's all yours. You can give them freckles or triangle freckles. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a good day.